Welcome to the MTFXG. In this video, you will learn how to upload documents to verify your profile. The process is very simple. Visit mtfxg.com and log into your MTFXG account. Go to the MTFXG dashboard. Click Upload Documents under your Profile Status tab. New users will be redirected to the Complete Profile section. Complete your basic information section and then click Save Details. A success message will appear and you will get redirected to the My Profile section. Click on Upload Documents to get redirected to the User Verification section. This section is divided into two segments: ID document, proof of residence. You can either choose a driving license, ID card, or passport. Upload the front and back images of the document. Fill in the expiry date of the document uploaded. Click Submit Documents, which will be confirmed by a success pop-up alert. Under the Proof of Residence, select the type of document you want to submit. You can use phone bills, utility bills, or any other bill. Upload the images of the document. Click Submit Documents, which will be confirmed by a success pop-up alert. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your documents. Your documents will be reviewed by the admin team and will be notified to you via mail. Thank you.